this book reflects the Rohingya culture, Rohingya community, and the Rohingya people. I think this book is very good for the home learning. ACF is distributing 4,000 books in collaboration with IOM, and from today we have started the distribution. Adolescent boys and girls, they found it very good. They like it. They are discussing with their community people, their friends. I think this will very helpful for their home learning, for their also Rohingya teacher, those who didn't see their Myanmar, those who born here. It will also become very helpful for them.
Dictionary বানাতে ভালো লাগে, পড়তে ভালো লাগে। আর ফন্না পরিবার টিচার হইম, অন্য মানুষের ফোন ধরে পড়াইম, আর ঘরের ফ্যামিলিরে পড়াইম।